my nap. We have an hour to go, but we just stopped over and everyone's just using the restroom before we complete the trip and get to the campsite. I'm so excited to see everyone. Oh look! Say hi to my vlog! Look, all the dads are meeting up over there. Mama is literally dead. She did not get enough sleep. That is for sure. We'll see you at the campsite.
Both of your brothers are still around.
She's lonely.
Hi, Lance.
Hi.
Yeah, want something.
Hi. Hi. Kobe, hi.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
He stinks. I don't know how he stinks so bad.
Hi. Look at these babies.
Look at the calves. Look at the calves.
What?
Your calves are the
Okay, what the heck? You just pose?
My heart rate way too often.
Okay, we're done.
There's mommy. She's sanitizing our table. What's Wilford doing?
I don't know.
Same. What am I doing?
Recording.
Yeah.
Without our permission.
Neighbors. Hello. Ay. Look, there's Isa. Oh my gosh, your tan is so nice. Wait, she looks tan in my camera though.
Wait, matching with Kenji.
She's trying to get the code to Chipotle, right?
Yes.
Did they miss two consecutive free throws?
No, I swear they made one.
Oh.
It's not loading. Because I saw it go up.
Oh, when they make two consecutive.
No, just when they make any free throw.
Okay.
I don't want
Marielle, I love your pigtails.
Tell them what you were telling.
The prayer, okay?
Wow.
Are you speaking?
No.
Yeah, do it.
Okay, ready, huh?
Uh-oh.
Look, I'm not cheating. What? Not ready.
Hey, buy it!
Gyro has to lead the prayer.
For giving us this opportunity, bringing us all together to this co-op camping, and please bless this food and keep us safe so that we may have fun in this camping trip together. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Father Gyro.
Okay, ready? This is my plate.
Wait, why do I have to clean them?
So cute. Yeah. Night scene.
Give way to the big kids now.
Show the marshmallow bit.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh, girl.
Is this still eatable?
Marriage with the
What
man
camera
in
is
the
that?
The ZV-E10.
Oh, shit.
The Sony, I know.
Good morning.
Good morning. It is so cold.
We're here in Mount Lassen Campground, Shingletown.
Yeah, we're walking to breakfast. They're serving pancake and sausage.
And coffee.
Yum, yum,
Yep,
yum.
yep.
Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little short on sleep. But it's still good vibes. Look how pretty everything is. There's Wilford. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How was y'all's sleep?
Dog, I didn't have a sleeping bag or a pillow or a mat to sleep on.
Oh my god.
So then I slept straight on the floor.
That's crazy.
And it was cold.
No blanket?
No blanket.
in my sleeping bag.
No blanket.
No blanket is crazy. Good morning. Good morning.
Wave check soon.
Okay, you all want to rate the food?
Oh yeah, no, it's fire. Check this out. So this is a pancake.
Okay.
Last night you were looking so bright. I don't wanna mess up. You already dressed up. What I want, hold your hands, hold the ends. Put you on this trip and say goodbye.
Let's get some rallies up for this vlog.
You take my now you think it is you so good, you just waste a lot of time.
And everything's good.
Oh.
With some powers, now you don't. You forget how to memories with close your eyes. Saying it's different, but you're still in a way.
I hope I don't trip carrying this around.
If I was your man, baby, never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right.
Why do you sound like the recording?
Thank you.
Stickers. Mama. That's so cute, actually. Love my vibe.
Try.
Oh, can't adult today. So real. This is cute. Hey guys.
They don't make like animals. Like it's just like blocks.
This is my jam. It's just my name.
How much you gonna charge me?
That's how it happened. That's what happened.
She looks like the monster! Little vlog. It's a video. Do you want a picture? Thank you.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. This is a little bandage contraption from the hole she fell in.
Oh wait.
And then it's gonna go to the flashback in the video.
Bruh. Okay. Full time.
Minus 1,000 aura, minus Skibbity toilet. Bro is not baby Gron.
Bro is
Be
not
done.
Sigma. All of you.
Alright.
1, 2, go. Oh, here's the other brothers. How are you? You guys are dead after volleyball?
Oh shoot.
What were you doing?
I can go
the whole
another
time?
round.
I was playing with the little kids.
That's fire.
What do you think? Should she change her battery?
I think so.
I'm at
The
1% now.
council says you should change your battery.
Okay.
You don't want to drive, I'll let drive.
Hang back to
I can literally drive.
Can I see?
The big three is not, it's a joke. Big three is
Oh wait, that's cute.
We look white and you just.
Playing spoons with rocks.
all is fair game. What is he doing? How's she looking at all?
Nice.
What happened?
I did not give you any consent.
All right.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay, don't grab it yet.
Oh no.
Minus 1,000 aura.
Oh, that was bad.
Little babies. This is crazy. Is this a hike? Are you?
Let's go!
Closer to my...
No, that's good. Yun nga yung drama eh.
Last meal.
Wait later.
Project X.
This ain't what you want. 16 on the block. I draw.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Matthew.
She's going crazy. That's going in the vlog. But at least she's pretty. She's so pretty, guys. There's the little doggy.
I have another bread.
What is that?
Senorita bread.
Mmm.
Do you want one?
Yes, please.
Grab it, girl.
Wait, the delights. I want these.
Ask Liam.
Thank you.
Feel free. We don't
How do I
we're not
open
getting all
this?
of it.
But I can hang.
Here, let me stick it in.
What? It's funny because you notice too. You usually don't. Hey, put your address too.
I'm gonna dox myself.
For real.
Doesn't it smell like their house? Their signature scent.
What?
The car?
Yeah, it does. I think it's because of the pillow. I feel like the pillow. You brought it in.
Hey guys, come with us to our SJ trip.
You're lying.
Why you want to go to San Jose?
Santana Row.
Bingsu!
I want to go to SJ.
Can we plan?
What? Stay fair.
Let's do Six Flags,
No, I
y'all.
don't want to do the state fair.
26. 26.
Hey, what's good, Ethan?
Hey, what's good? Look away.
What's good?
Wait, where did you get that?
That is really cute.
Oi, Philippines! Philippines!
Wait, what's? Hey!
Yes.
Y'all are so. He is getting her s'mores. We got the chairs and the stuff packed up. We're basically done with the tent. We took everything out. This is my little suitcase. Are looking for you. We're leaving soon. We're gonna take pictures.
She's harassing me.
I'm not leaving.
You go, girl. Women power.
Woman power.
Ready? This is the background music. When did it end? All the enjoyment.
Wait, I know what to say. Hurry up.
All right.
Oh, look.
Dad, happy Father's Day.
Father's Day.